In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off History in Life 360. First, let's open the Life 360 app on your device. You will see the familiar interface of the app, displaying your map and the status of your circles. This is where all of your location sharing happens, so it's important to be familiar with it. Look for the app icon and tap it to launch. If you are logged in, you will be taken directly to your home screen. If not, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are in, you will be ready to make some important changes. Opening the app is the first step in securing your privacy. Next, tap on the Settings option. This is typically represented by a gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap it, a new menu will appear showing various settings options available for your Life 360 account. This section is where you can adjust how your app functions, including privacy settings. It's necessary to navigate here to make the changes you want. With your settings opened, you are one step closer to managing your location history effectively. Now tap on Location Sharing. This option allows you to control who can see your location and whether your location is shared at all. Once you tap it, you will be presented with options related to location sharing for your circles. It is crucial to understand that turning off location sharing will stop the app from recording your future location history. This is an important step for maintaining your privacy. Next, turn location sharing off. You will see a toggle switch that you can slide to the off position. Once you do this, a confirmation prompt may appear, asking if you are sure about disabling location sharing. This safeguard ensures you are aware of the implications of your choice. When location sharing is off, your circles will no longer see your real-time location. This is significant for privacy as it stops your movements from being tracked. After that, if you have multiple circles in Life 360, you may need to repeat the previous step for those circles. Each circle can have its own settings, so be sure to check them individually. This ensures that all groups you are a part of respect your privacy preferences. It's essential to go through each circle to confirm that your settings are consistent across the board. This thoroughness will give you peace of mind regarding your location history. At this point, you have successfully turned off location sharing and effectively stopped Life 360 from logging any future location history. This process is crucial for keeping your movements private. You can always return to these settings later if you decide to share your location again. Your privacy is now better protected and you can feel more secure moving forward. With that ready, remember to check your settings periodically. Life 360 may update, and it's good to stay informed about any changes that could affect your privacy. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and you now feel more in control of your location sharing in Life 360.